Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the grid size of folder in this device. So here you can see the Samsung folder. So here you can see this is the grid size. This is 3x4 grid size because in this folder we can see 3 columns and 4 rows. Okay, so let me show you how to change the grid size of folders in this device. Simply go to settings. Tap on the option home screen, scroll down, tap on folder grid. Here you can see two options 3x4 and 4x4. If you select the option 4x4, then you will get 4 columns and 4 rows. I'm going to select the option 4x4. Now again I am going to open the application folder. You can see this is 4x4, 4 columns and 4 rows. If you want to change, then again 3x4. You can see this 3x4, 3 columns and 3 rows. So simply in this way we can change the grid size of folders in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.